Should you put prompt engineering on your resume? Is prompt engineering a real skill or just another flashy buzzword? Can it boost your chances of landing a job? Or is it something only AI researchers care about? Here's the twist. If you've ever used GPT to draft a cover letter, write a resume, or even prep for an interview, guess what? You're already doing prompt engineering. But is that enough to claim it on your resume? Let's break this down. But first, what even is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and science of communicating with AI. It's not just asking questions, it's structuring your inputs, so AI delivers exactly what you want. Think of it like Google on steroids. If Google is searching, then prompt engineering is directing. In engineering, we learn garbage in, garbage out. That applies here. Give ChatGPT a vague prompt, and you'll see vague junk. Give it structure, role, context, and format, and suddenly it's producing gold. And this isn't just theory. The best prompt engineers are now writing content at scale, automating tedious workflows, training AIs for startups, and yes, building better resumes than most humans can. So, why should job seekers care? Let's be real. Nobody likes to build a resume from scratch. That's why tools like WorkReady exist. But here's the kicker. Even when using these tools, you are still prompt engineering. Every time you answer questions like what did you accomplish, what tools did you use, what was the result, you are feeding prompts into an AI system. WorkReady's platform takes these input and crafts tailored ATS optimized bullets. Not templates, not fillers, real impact. The more precise your answers, the better the results. You're training yourself in a skill without even realizing it. This means resume building becomes an AI-driven exercise. You improve your communication skills. You learn how to control the output of LLMs, all of which are insanely valuable in today's job market. But you might wonder, is it a hard or a soft skill? Let's understand it together. So where does prompt engineering fit? Is it technical, like Python or Excel? Or is it interpersonal, like communication or critical thinking? Honestly, it's both. It requires clarity, logic, and empathy. It rewards people who understand context, nuance, and tone. And it grows with practice, not theory. Some call it a soft skill in disguise. Others argue it's the next big technical skill. But here's what hiring managers care about. Can you use AI to solve a real problem? Prompt engineering shows you are adaptable, you are future-proof, and you are already using tomorrow's tools today. So, should you put it on your resume? Well, have you practiced it meaningfully? Then yes, but not just as a buzzword. Don't say expert in prompt engineering. Say something like, used prompt engineering to tailor resumes using AI platforms like WorkReady. Or leverage AI prompting to generate job-specific cover letters, improving outreach quality by 40%. See the difference? You're showing results, not just dropping jargon. And the best way to learn prompt engineering without paying a dime? It starts with real problems. Need a resume? WorkReady lets you prompt interactively. Need a cover letter? Feed the context and goals and get an ATS-friendly version instantly. Need interview prep? WorkReady's interview tool generates practice Q&As using your resume data. You don't need a degree, you don't need a boot camp, you just need to start. But prompt engineering isn't just a trend. It's a lens for how you interact with AI. And in this decade, it will separate the prepared from the panic. Want to learn while upgrading your job hunt? WorkReady is your secret weapon. Because the best skill to have is knowing how to talk to the machine. And if you're already doing that, yes, you should put it on your resume. Try it, own it, and WorkReady it.